Imagine this. You type just a few lines of your ideas, and an AI instantly turns them into a complete, polished slide deck in less than a minute. No templates, no design skills, just a couple of clicks. That's the power of Gamma AI. And today, I'll walk you through step by step, from zero to a presentation that's ready to impress any audience. Welcome to Next Gen AI Lab, where I share the best AI tips and tools to help you work smarter and unleash your creativity. If you're into AI, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. All right, here's how you get started. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Just open up your browser and head to gamma.app, hit enter, and boom, you're on the official dashboard. Click Start for free. If you've got a Google account, it's literally 2 clicks and you're in. No forms, no friction, no stress. And once you're inside, the interface is insanely simple. No clutter, no confusion. You just type what you want, hit generate, and watch Gamma do the magic. Seriously, the first time you see it build your entire slide deck in seconds, you'll wonder why you ever opened PowerPoint in the first place. First, select the content you want to create. In this case, we'll choose Presentation. And don't skip this part. Just above the text box, there's a drop-down menu called Page Style. Click that, and you'll see a few options. Default traditional 16:9 or tall 4:3. If you're not sure which one to choose, leave it as default. You can always change it later in the editor. Then just paste your content into this box. You can write a full outline or just drop in your rough thoughts. Even a messy list works. Scroll down a bit. You'll see 3 smart options. Generate from outline, great if you have bullets. Summarize, if you're pasting long text. Or preserve text, if you want it exactly as is. Once you pick one, hit Continue to Prompt Editor. And boom, Gamma does the rest. All right, here's how to use the prompt editor in Gamma AI without getting overwhelmed. Under text content, you've got 3 main choices. Generate, let Gamma write the slides for you. Condense, summarize long paragraphs into something clean. Preserve, keep your original text exactly as is. Quick tip, if you're starting with just a few bullet points, go with Generate. Pick how much text you want on each slide. Minimal or concise for quick, easy-to-read slides. Detailed or extensive for longer, more in-depth decks. Not sure? Stick with concise. It works great for most use cases. Set the language to English, US, if you're making content for an American audience, like we do at Next Gen AI Lab. Now let's make it look good. Pick a theme: clean, basic light, colorful, Malibu, or bold, Aurum. For visuals, choose AI images. Then pick an art style like illustration, friendly, or photorealistic, realistic. Between, you'll see your slides laid out as cards. You can drag them around, delete, or hit plus add card to create a new one. Final step, click Generate, and Gamma builds your full deck. Polished visuals, smart content, zero design stress. All right, once Gamma finishes your slides, you'll drop right into the editor. From here, it's super chill. You can click on any text or image to tweak it. Want to move things around? Just drag it. Not feeling the theme? Swap it in one click. And when you're happy with how it looks, boom, you're ready to share, download, or present right away. No extra tools needed. Simple as that. And that's how Gamma AI transforms your ideas into a complete presentation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join Next Gen AI Lab on the journey of exploring the latest AI tools. See you in the next video.